Fireplace odor after it's been sitting unused for ages can totally ruin that cozy vibe you're going for. So, first off, you want to clean the fireplace really well, like scrape out all the ash and soot you can see. Grab a good brush and sweep out every corner because that old buildup is a big part of the smell. Then, check your fireplace for any leftover debris or even critters that might have made a home in there. Next, open up all the windows and doors around the fireplace area to get fresh air moving in and push the stinky air out. If you have a chimney, make sure the flue is open so air can flow properly. Closed flues trap bad smells inside. You can also toss some baking soda on the floor of the fireplace and let it sit for a while before sweeping it up. That stuff is like magic for absorbing odors. Lighting a few scented candles or using an essential oil diffuser nearby can help mask any stubborn smells while you air things out. Lastly, consider getting a professional chimney sweep if the smell sticks around, because sometimes old creosote or mold deep in the chimney needs expert attention. One of the biggest issues with fireplace odor after long periods of disuse is not cleaning thoroughly enough. Leftover ash and soot hold onto smells, so skipping this step just makes the problem worse. Another common mistake is not ventilating the space properly. If you keep windows and flues shut, the stale air just hangs around and smells get trapped in your home. The third problem is ignoring chimney maintenance. Blocked or dirty chimneys cause odors to back up into your living room instead of venting outside. Fixing these means regular cleaning, opening up windows and flues for airflow, and scheduling chimney inspections or cleanings when needed. BigHomeProjects.com makes it super easy for homeowners to connect with trusted local contractors who know how to handle fireplace, cleaning, and repairs right. Contractors also get a boost by finding new work through the site, helping them grow their business while making homes smell fresh and cozy again.